Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with NK. Today we're going to solve the first exercise in problem set 0, Deep Thought. In this exercise, we're expected to create a Python file called zip.py that gets input from the user and asks the question, the great question of life, the universe and everything. And if the user enters 42 or 42 in either way, the output should be yes, otherwise no. And 42 should be case insensitive. That is, if F is in uppercase or R in uppercase or T in uppercase, anyway, it should still output yes. We've been told to create a folder called zip, move into that folder, and then create the file zip.py and test with these prompts here. So I'm going to go to VS Code locally on my computer to do this. If you want to learn how to install VS Code locally on your computer, I'll leave a link in the description below. So in VS Code, I'm going to create the folder called zip, make the zip. I'm going to move into that folder and I'm going to create the file zip.py. Okay, so my file has been created. To make things a little bit more visible, I'm going to close my Explorer and my terminal and zoom in. So I'll write a comment to get input from the user. And I'll save this input in a variable or call response, or use the input function, or pass a string to it that says, what is the answer to the great question of life, the universe, yes, and everything. Now I'm going to apply some methods to our string input to remove leading and trailing white spaces. That's .strip. And I'm also going to apply the method lower to convert the user's input into lowercase. This is to make sure that if the user enters 42 with capital case anywhere, that's probably capital O or W, it's going to convert the user's input to lowercase. Then I'm going to do my check using if-else statements. Check user input. Okay, so there are a number of ways that we can do this, and I'm going to show you a few. So we use if response equal 42. Okay, print yes, elif response equal 42. Yes, elif response is equal to 42. Print yes, else print no. Okay, so this is okay. Now if I open my terminal once more, I'm going to run this file. What is the answer to the great question of life, the universe, and everything? So I'll answer 42. So we'll have our response yes, which is correct. If you look at this file, you see that a lot of this is very redundant. Like we're printing yes like 3 times. And there's a way that we can actually make our code shorter and nicer. still using if-else statements, or we can use the match keyword. So if I go ahead and try that, let's say I'll remove all of this. Okay, I'll say match response case 42 and 42. Okay, if the user enters 42 in any of these ways, we'll print yes. Else, and enter another case. To catch the else statement, we're going to do it this way. We'll say case underscore print no. Voila. So if we save this and we'll go back to our terminal, let's clear things a little bit and run python zip.py. Let me enter something else to show you that the code still works very well. I'll say I just typed anything and you see it enters no. The way the keyword match works is that when it sees this case underscore, it considers it like the else statement, and so it's going to print no, and then it's going to respect this other condition that we have given it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll plead with you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any upcoming content, as I am going to upload the various solutions to every other assignment that has been given to us. Thank you and have a good day.